Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sum values based on selection of drop-down list in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to calculate totals dynamically based on specific categories or selections without manually sorting through your data. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. This will take you directly to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are stored. Take a moment to let the page fully load before proceeding to the next step. Now that you're on your Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Simply locate and click on the spreadsheet that you want to edit. This will open your Google Sheet in a new tab, giving you full access to all the data and functions you need for this tutorial. Let's take a look at the sample data we'll be working with. In this example, there's a product column listing different items, a cost column showing their prices, a drop-down list for selection, and a total column where we'll display our calculated sum. Understanding your data structure is essential before applying any formulas, so make sure your columns are properly organized. Next, click on the cell directly under the total column where you want your sum to appear. This is where the magic happens. Type equals SUMEF, open parenthesis. The SUMF function is powerful because it allows you to add up values in one column based on criteria in another column. After typing the opening parenthesis, select the entire range of the product column. This tells Google Sheets which column contains the criteria you want to evaluate. Once you've selected the range, add a comma to separate this argument from the next. Now click on the cell containing your drop-down list. This cell holds the specific value you want to match against the product column. By referencing this cell, your formula becomes dynamic, meaning it will automatically update whenever you change the drop-down selection. After selecting the drop-down cell, add another comma to move to the final argument of the function. The last step in building your formula is to select the range of the cost column. This tells Google Sheets which values to add together when the criteria is met. Once you've selected the cost range, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Your formula is now active and will calculate the total based on the current drop-down selection. Now comes the exciting part. Try adjusting the value in your drop-down list. You'll immediately notice that the value in the total column automatically adjusts to reflect the new selection. This real-time calculation saves you time and eliminates the need for manual updates, making your spreadsheet both efficient and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.